exactly. Yeah. Hey guys, here we are in St. Charles. This is the furnace and water heater he's looking at replacing. The return drop is the right size, but we're gonna go ahead and change the filter, and he does not have a furnace base, so we'll have to put a base on this furnace and get a 20 by 25 filter inside of there. The drain is real easy. The drain's right in front of the furnace here. We're gonna put a new humidifier. We'll need a regular ball valve shut off on the humidifier and change out that piercing valve. The water heater, the flue pipe's a bit on the long side, coming up here, and maybe if you guys can move it forward a little bit and eliminate a couple of elbows or get at least a little better slope on it. Back there. The gas pipe looks okay, although there is technically no drip leg on the furnace, so we need to make sure we get a drip leg on the furnace. I guess technically that other one does count over there. The shutoff valves, they use water valves as the gas shutoff valves, so if you could change those to gas cocks. Let's see, the electric looks fine. The Freon lines run up overhead, they're real short. And then there's the wall bracket from the unit sitting outside on the wall right there. Look back here. All right, thanks.